Here's how to take better selfies on your phone, whether that's an iPhone or Android. In selfie mode, you'll notice that when your face is very close to the camera like this, that your facial features are very distorted and perhaps not that flattering. That's because with the front-facing camera, it's quite a wide-angle lens. Okay? Now this results in the middle of the frame being stretched to be made bigger, and the edges are made to be a little bit more compressed to fit into the frame. So the closer your face is to the camera here, the more round your face is and the bigger, say, your nose is, like this. That's far different than when, say, you're looking in the mirror, at least for some people. Notice though that as you hold the phone further back, the more natural your face looks, as your features tend to flatten out to appear the way it does when someone looks at you through their own eyes. So the tip here is, when shooting a selfie photo, or video for that matter, stretch out your arm a little so you can hold it out a little bit further. Your selfie photos and videos will look way more flattering. In a moment, I'll show you another great tip for taking selfie photos, but first, please do me a favor and hit the like button down below. It really does help me grow my channel. So here's a tip if you want to go to the extreme to get your phone even further away from your face. Normally you need to hold your phone like this so that you're able to press the shutter button with your thumb. But if you set up the countdown timer, you can pre-press the shutter and make it so that you can put your phone right out there to get more in the frame. So to do so, tap the little arrow at the top, swipe down the bottom to the timer button, then select, say, 10 seconds, hit the shutter button, and then you can really hold the frame out like this. And as a bonus, you can really fine tune your framing while you wait for that photo to be taken. Here we go. Nice and wide, hey? And really flattering on the face. Well, at least I think so. Watch this video next to learn how to take wide-angle selfies on iPhone in both portrait and landscape mode, so that you can get more things in your frame when needed when you're taking selfie photos and videos. I'll see you there.